What is the first thing I should do after my home is damaged by a storm? Once it's safe, document all damage with photos and videos. Then call your insurance company and a local storm damage repair expert. How quickly should storm damage repair begin? In order to avoid mold and structural damage, start immediately. This prevents health issues or further damage to your home. How do I know if it's storm damage? Call us today for a free inspection. We will work with your insurance company and provide financing options. Click the link to learn more.